All right, so palm tools, what are they? Who are they for? Essentially, a palm tool is a chisel, but instead of you having to hold your hand, tighten your hand around the shaft of the chisel, and then apply pressure to it if you're doing small detailed work, you can just you can put the palm tool, hence the name of it, into your palm, grip it, and then you can just push into it with the palm of your hand instead of having to use so much force to actually hold the tool and push at the same time. And for someone like me who has fractured their bone in their hand when they're younger, I can get arthritic pains going through my hands if I'm sitting here gripping something for too long and pushing it into the wood. It even happens when I'm whittling every now and then, so I have to take it easy. But the palm tools do make it easy for me to actually apply a significant amount of pressure and give a good amount of control, because I'm controlling a tip that's much closer to my hands, and so it's not varying so far around here. Flexcut was kind enough to send me some of their little palm tools, and I'm gonna be honest, I really like them. Like, this is the beginner palm set, and this is the wide palm set. I actually carved this elephant just by using these two right here. So for me personally, the maximum size I would consider that you use for these two tool sets together would probably be about this size. I carved it out of a block of wood about, come here, about this size. So I went from this to this with just these tools. It took me a couple hours, but I think it was pretty well worth it. It was pretty fun to do. I wouldn't suggest using these tools for anything bigger, to be honest. If you're going to do that, definitely get regular chisels with a wider scoop on it. But these are great for beginners. Same with the UJ Ramilson ones. I kind of like the way that they feel in the hand. They're not too bulbous in the back, which I personally don't like the bulbous ones in the back, because if while doing that, sometimes I've had some that felt like you're holding a doorknob in the back, and those are just like knuckle busters. You're getting in there, and then your fingers are all the way down at the bottom. Yeah, you're just gonna end up scraping your knuckles up against the wood. I really like the little bit more of a slender feel to it, where I can just I can literally put it in the palm of my hand, apply pressure into the wood, and make it easier to carve. Obviously, of course, I own several regular chisels. You can hit them with mallets. You can do small intricate work with them by hand. But really, it's just much easier to do it with the palm tools if you're doing small scale work or more detailed cuts. And even if you're using like the small little super small ones like these, you can still put a little bit of force into it. They're about the same size as your regular palm tools. Me personally, I probably might have cut this one down a little bit more, but I can still fit this in the palm of my hand and do a little bit of detail work with. But these guys, you just see like it's in the palm of my hand, but the tip's all the way up there compared to the tip like being right there by my fingers, where I can actually do a lot of good control work. But yeah, that's just me. I would love to hear some of your guys' opinion about palm tools, and if you guys ever use them. I feel like they're a good little addition to just whittling knives, because sometimes you just want to make like a V cut, or if you want to like gouge some little piece of wood out. Great option. Good little addition to any wood carving tool set. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.